Right. All right. So thanks everybody for joining. We'll get started momentarily. I'll get everything set up. What you can do is you can just get your project ready. I will also get my name list out. Then we can start counting. But yeah. If you did not finish, it's okay. Just also demonstrate it. Also need to present it, whether you're finished or not. So whether you're finished or not, you have to present. Unless you didn't do it at all, which please let me know now. We'll wait for a few more minutes for more people to join, then we'll get started. Okay. Any questions? Feel free to unmute yourself. Feel free to unmute yourself or send in the chat. Thank you.
What's happening?
All right, so thanks for joining. To just find my name list. So we'll just get your project ready. We'll present our project for the Discord call. We'll begin when we have a little bit more people to join, maybe at 4:05. But I can start. If you did not do it, again, let me know. So first of all, I don't know how to do it. It's not like really a good excuse because like I told you guys to email me if you don't know how to do it, and I will try to respond it as soon as possible. Of course, if you send it like today, like it's gonna take me a while to find yours. So you should be able to ask it earlier in the week. And since we have Thanksgiving break, most classes Thanksgiving break, so you should have at least some time to work on your project. Where you're good, your name is not on my list. That means you're not here when I talk about it. So you can just take a look at other people's project. You don't need to worry about it.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. If the majority of the class present a project, I will have you guys to vote on it. If not majority of you present your project, then I will choose one of the best project, and I will award I will give a award to the one who did the best. We'll get the most of the vote, depending on how many people present. One second, let me just get everybody sets up. Today is more like a show and tell day. But so first part of the class is where we present your project. Latter part of the class, we'll talk about GitHub, where you can publish your code and stuff like that. Okay. All right, we'll go and get started now. So let's see. Can I take a volunteer to present their project, please? Anybody volunteer to present their project? Anybody want to volunteer to present their Discord clone project? Their feature added to the Discord clone? Okay, if no, then I'm just gonna call on a person to present. Let's see. All right. See, Ethan.
Okay.
Carry here. Okay, 1 second.
I'm still initializing the workspace.
Okay.
And I'm not sure if it works yet because I haven't tested it.
It's okay.
Do I share my screen or something like that?
Yeah. Share your code, explain your code, and then also show us, if possible, show what's the output of your code looks like. So
I don't know how to make the output. That's how I haven't tested it yet. So.
Okay, it's okay. So just show the code and tell us how it's supposed to do.
Well, so it's supposed to get the bot to like so I can kick it, and then when like the bot is ready, it's just gonna say the bot is ready, and then if they want to kick, you have to do like add and then the member, and then like add the member, and then you can put a reason there. The reason is set to none because you don't have to put a reason if you don't want to. And then it will say you kick this person and blah blah blah. There's the reason. The same thing as with the ban command. It's just the kick and dot ban and dot kick is different. And they have to run the client.
Okay, so what you made is like an actual Discord bot.
I can't like. Where did this one go?
Right, what you made is an actual Discord bot. So it works. It works. At least you make changes to the code.
Where do you put this thing one? Because where was it last time?
Just type Command Z. It will go back.
What is Command Z?
Control Z if you're on.
Z. Okay, there.
All right. So nice. So that's a Discord bot. Though that's not like what I really want you guys to do. What I want you guys to do is to implement feature on our Discord clone.
Yeah, but I couldn't find a feature that you can put in Python except for a bot. So that I just went with it.
Right. So what you're supposed to do is modify the actual app.py. So like maybe you can add a new route or new part where they can fill out a form to kick which person. So that's something that you can do. But nice, but still you did something. So you create an actual Discord bot. Nicely done. Nice job. Did you do any research to find like how the code is supposed to work, or just know this somehow in advance?
I did some researching. I first just did kick command kick command for like Discord clone or something like that, and then it's all like JS. So I finally started Python and I got this thing. So
right. So there's like a multiple different library. One is Discord JS.
Yeah, I think like JS is the most popular for making like Discord clones or something like that because
right. Yeah.
Most of it's all JS. There's not really many Python ones.
Right. And then but we also have but Python is also another pretty well-known and developed Discord bot library.
This is the code. I think it's I'm not sure where it started. I think it's like client is equal to command.bot command prefix blah blah blah.
Okay. All right. Nicely done. So what you can do is how about this? Do you know how to, let's see. So since we want to actually see this in action, let's see. Could you go to your Discord developer page?
Discord developer page. Is it like here?
And I want you and what I want you to, so
Like-
no, like the actual developer. So where did you get this client ID pretty much?
What do you mean where did I get this client ID?
Scroll down on your code. So where did you get this string? Where did you get this like ID? Oh, okay.
Like where did I get this thing?
Yeah,
Like in the video.
in the video. Okay. All right, because like what I want you to do is 1 second. 1 second. So what I want to do is actually I want to see if your bot works. So that's what I want you to see. And what I want you to do, let's see. Application. Okay. Okay, let's see. So I'm just gonna create a bot on my end. So I'm just gonna say esense kick band bot. You can give me 1 second. So bot. Okay, so what I want you to do is I'm gonna privately, it doesn't really matter to be honest. But here is a string. I want to copy this and replace that in that string. Okay, thank you very much. What I want you to do is, let's see. What I want you to do is go ahead and copy on this. And then create a new file, just name it as spot.py.
Let me see. Let me just go to new. Oops. Yeah. New file. Bot. And then just paste the code in.
Right. Okay, so you might need to go ahead and figure out how to use this commands because it's unimported. You need to import maybe some external libraries to use it.
Okay.
So did that video tutorial tell you how to like what do you need to import?
Not really.
Okay. Let's see. Okay. I really want to take a look. Let me see if we can figure out like how to import this Discord library so we can actually see the spot running. Okay, so could you go and run this code in a terminal, please?
Pip install udiscord.py.
Yeah.
Pip install let me go take a look at the chat. Pip install.
Pi. So it's discord.py, py. All right. We'll go and wait while it's running. So could you also save the file, please?
See, where's autosave? Oh, right here.
Okay. All right. So 1 second. Let me clear out the screen. Okay. Let's see. What I want you to do now is go ahead and type this as your first line for code from one second. Let me take a look. It's been a while since I've created a Discord bot, so hold 1 second. Okay, could you give me a remote control because I might need to change something a little bit. Thank you very much. So what we will add in here, say from Discord, actually just an import Discord. Client equals to discord.client. See. Okay. Okay. Let's see will it work properly. No. So I think you might follow a little bit outdated tutorial because I don't think it's follow like right now's documentation. Oh, Discord.member. There is a typo there. Okay, bot is ready. Let's take a look at the work, shall we?
Wait, just copy and paste the code back into app.py and like.
You don't do that because it's kind of different.
Because I kind of imported the wrong Discord probably.
Right. Yeah. So. Okay. So let's see. I will go ahead and add it to our Discord server. Take a look with your Discord bot work. Okay. See if I can get your client ID. If it doesn't work,
Discord clone. Discord. What's like the thing?
It's okay. I'm doing it on my end.
Okay.
Can anybody ban the bot?
I'm not. I don't think so. Like, if you can, then like that's weird.
Because I was wondering, I'm not sure. Did you specify in the code or somewhere can like everybody ban it, or only like the admin can ban the bot?
I think only the admin can, right?
Okay. Well, that's like a reasonable thing.
Yeah, because like.
All right. Let me share my screen really quick. You can stop sharing now. So let's take a look, see what Ethan's Discord bot worked correctly. All right, let's see. How would we call the bot? That's my primary concern. Let's see. Ethan, could you copy and paste your code to the chat to me, please?
Sure.
Because I don't know how do we call the bot.
Let me just this one. Like the bot.py code, right?
Right. Okay. All right. I don't think there is a way to actually call the bot. Yeah. Okay. We'll take a look how can we do that later. I think you might follow in a little bit outdated tutorial, but we'll take a look. So
I think it was like 2018 or something like that. So that might be like kind of old.
I mean, I don't know what's gonna happen in 2 years, but well, okay. All right. Interesting. So nicely done for your Discord bot. Though that's not really for our Discord clone, but you did something for the Discord. Nice job. I will later take a look, see if I can figure out how to call it. Nice. Okay, let's see. So I'm just gonna go by alphabetical order. Let's see. Alan, could you present your project? Right, that can be a really helpful tutorial. Thank you. Thank you, Ethan. TA, yeah. Nice, all right. Let me actually also make you a co-host. All right, Alan, are you here? Okay, Alan just left. All right, sweet, not actually. Let's see, so who would I go for next? Andy P?
Okay, let me find it.
Yeah, glad I found it.
My repository, they're really dirty. Let me find.
Okay.
Give me a sec. I gotta log in. Let's do so.
All right. For those of you, please go and find it like kind of like find it now. So
Give me a second.
be able to
Which one is it?
start. If you've already finished presenting, what you can do during this time is to make sure that you add your code to the fork repository. The repository is supposed to fork of the Discord call. NDP, let me know once you're ready. Thank you.
Yeah, give me a sec. I can't find it right now.
Okay, take your time.
No, this is my really old one. I can't find the new one.
All right. Let's see. Did you lose your code for some reason?
I'm going back to the repository. I opened the first few, which should be there.
All right. Just share screen once you're ready. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. I don't know. Where is it?
Okay. You can still take your time. I'm gonna come back to you later. Okay. I'm gonna come back to you later. Just try to find it, and I'm gonna come back to you later, NDP. Okay. Thank you about that. Kate, can you hear me? Kate? Kate, can you hear me? Hello, Kate? Kate? Okay. Let's see. Can you present your project? For the Discord clone? Okay, that's not the excuse. I told you guys to email me, right? I told you guys to email me if you don't know how to do it. Practically, only one of you did in the morning. I responded like in the afternoon.
I wrote an email a few minutes or ago, and yeah, I wrote a few.
Kessler, do you think if you written an email like right now, would that work? Right? So like you at least have to write like at least in the morning, right? But preferably a couple days earlier, right? I suppose it's Thanksgiving break, so you guys should at least have maybe 10 minutes a day to work on it, right? So and like if you don't know how to do it, you can ask me so I could give you some advice. But I mean, if you don't ask me, I don't know that you need any help.
Can you like add some like real bots to this like the dev with me thing like
Real bot? What you can put? What bot suggestion do you want me to add? And
me
maybe
6?
sure. Maybe we can take a look how to make a Me 6 as a tutorial. Who knows? But back on topic. So still, you guys can hopefully you guys can email me next time if we have next time for these project, because that's really the point for collaborating and seeing what others do. Okay. Let's see. Cross you out. All right. NDP, did you find your project?
No. I'm still opening the pinned ones because I think one of mine is the pinned one.
Okay. I'm gonna go
And
next.
I can't have like 4 open at once or something like that.
Okay. All right. So take your time. I'm gonna go next. Let's see. Kessler, let's see. I'm gonna assume you didn't do it then. Cross you out.
How many people did it actually?
In a previous class, only 2 group did it.
Oof. Am I the only
Out of
person
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 people. Only 2 groups.
How do you put like your code into like wait, so I have a question. Do I still have to put the app.py code inside, or do I just have to use the bot.py?
Just add a file called bot.py. But
all right, I need to open app.py. I accidentally edited it a bit.
okay, yeah, just create a new file called bot.py.
I can't open. How do
I
you open this thing again?
can you just go to your do you have Gmail?
Yeah, take a look at your email. I mean,
I already emailed you. All you need to do is just type my name, and then type my name and a specific email address, and then you just
how do you like edit the code again?
Oh, 1 second. I'm gonna get back to that in a little bit. Kessler. So yeah, I see your email. The reason I don't reply is because now it's a little bit too late, right? The class already started, and I mean I cannot help you like right now, right? So it'll be it will be a little bit better if you email me at least maybe a few hours earlier at least, though preferably is a couple days earlier, so I can get in touch with you faster. Okay. But thank you for that. Let's see. Kevin, are you here?
There's only 9 people in this meeting. What's happening?
I don't know. I mean,
Hopefully not, they can-
usually the last guys is like the fewest people under every circumstance, especially when I tell them they need to present their project. That's pretty much
Alan.
what they do. Let's see. Alan, can you hear me? Alan, can you hear me? Please say something in the chat if you can, please. Alan? Alan, can you hear me? Please say something in the chat. Alan, can you hear me? Okay, I see you're unmuted, but I cannot hear you. Okay, can you present your project? You can type in the chat. Okay, well, I forgot to turn the chat mode back, but now I should only be able to send to the host. Actually, I'm gonna make it to send to everybody as possible, around publicly. All right, Alan, can you present your project? Can I present your project, Alan? Can I get a response, please, while you just unmute or type in the chat, please? You can go and share your screen if you want to, Alan. You have to, Alan. It's not like a choice. Please present, Alan, please.
Am I like the only person here right now?
Well, not really. I mean, you have beside me and the TA, you still have 6 people. But
I'm still here, but I don't have my project ready.
it's okay. Thank you for saying, yeah. Yeah, but you're not even on my list, so it's okay. You pretty much are not here.
All right. Boyuan, I think there's like a function on Zoom where you can ask people to unmute.
I know. I'm keep doing that for Alan, but I mean.
All right.
Yeah. Thank you for letting me know. Okay. Let's see. Can you please present, Alan? Can you please present, please? Alan. How long do you need, Alan? How long do you need? Because if nobody have other project to do, then I will have to give Kessler. I mean, I will have to, not Kessler, but I will have to give Ethan for his award, as he's pretty much the only one who did it. But I mean, unless any other people still want to present. Okay, Alan, let me know how long do you need. Okay. Eventually you have to present today, but let's see. NDP, are you ready?
I can't find it.
I cannot find it for some
The one I thought it was is blank, and the other one is a really it was like it was for the hangman thing.
Okay, do you want to explain the code, what you've written, and what kind of code do? Do you want to just
I didn't
verbally explain
exactly
it?
like memorize my code.
No, not exactly memorize it, but just explain like what your code can do.
Okay, so basically, oh my God, let me think. I need a memory.
So like
I
what
did
code
this like
have
a
you
week ago. Oh God, and now I can't even remember my code.
I mean, at least I suppose you can remember a little bit, right? Because like you wrote the code.
Well, the basic idea, I remember that at least. It was like a mute.
Okay, how does it work? So like what kind of code have you write? You want to like verbally explain it a little bit? Like what kind of code have you write?
Let me think. It was something like it was something like it was like detecting messages or like, and it was like automatically it was more of a like a that automatically kind of like a band, but not really.
Okay,
'Cause
well,
there's this like bot, not really a bot, but
Like a kick command, you mean?
no. So it's like a bot that like sorts through messages and like trying to like scan for like blacklisted stuff. So it would like kick
okay.
toxic users. Toxic? No. Spammers too, I think.
Okay, well, I mean, I cannot really, like, since I cannot see the code, I mean, I cannot give like a good score on it. So, well, thank
Well,
you
I
for.
can screen share you like
I
I
mean,
don't know. I don't
what
really
kind of
have
screen
anything to show. It's untitled.txt. And that's the pinned one, which means that was like the one I was working on, I think. It's weird. It's like blank.
Okay, well, I mean, I'm pretty sure I interpreted in your explanation, but since I mean, I don't know where's your code. I mean, I don't know how to be a loser code if you type in git pod, unless you haven't opened it in 2 weeks, which I mean shouldn't really make sense because you just created this git pod like a week ago.
Okay,
Unless you either accidentally or purposefully deleted it. But thank you for trying. Let's see, Alan, you are up.
There's a delivery guy.
Okay, Alan, you are up. Let's see our final product. Could you share a screen first, Alan? Could you share a screen first, please, Alan? Alan, could you share your screen, please? No, you have to present. You have to present. You have to share your screen.
All right, Hosses, welcome back. And in the last video, what we did is we published.
What?
What are you doing?
I don't know, Ethan, but see, sometimes you need to remember to mute yourself at least, right? Alan, please present. I mean, just try your best. You can just share your screen with your code. You don't, if your mic doesn't work, you can just explain it by the chat and I can read it out. If you prefer that way, it also works. So you just need to share your screen and then type in the chat, okay? Could you please share your screen, Alan? What do you want to explain, Alan? So do you want to explain your project or what? I mean, here's your chance. You want to explain your project. But I mean, I really recommend you to just try it out. Yeah, okay. Yeah, here's your chance. Go ahead and then just talk it out. If you can share your screen, that would be great. If you can, you can just explain verbally. Or while the chat's and they can read it out loud. But I mean, if you find your code, please share your screens and that would be better, but. Yep, Alan, go ahead and explain your project, please. Okay, do you have your code, Alan, that you can share with us? You can take a screenshot if possible, if you don't want to share it. All right, some feature about something about Word and what, Alan? We'll ban the user if possible. Okay, we'll ban the user if possible. Okay, do you have your code, Alan, so we can take a look at your code? Alan's mic isn't working. That was he told me. Or ban the user if possible. All right, anything else you have for your project, Alan? It's mostly all that. Okay, thank you for your presenting, Alan. Nicely done. Though, if you can share code next time, that'd be great. Thank you very much. Anybody else who's presented their project? Daniel Wang, are you here? Can you hear me? All right, Daniel Wang, did you do your Discord clone project? All right, have finished it. Okay, so I'm gonna have you started it? Have you started it, Daniel?
Daniel.
So you already started, Daniel? So you already started, is that correct? Only a bit. Okay.
Daniel.
All right, could you share your screen with your code, please? So we can take a look, even if it's just a bit. Could you share your screen, Daniel, with your code? Or do you want to explain it a little bit? Explain what you do? Daniel Wang? Juan, are you still here? All right, well, not really okay if you don't want to present, but I mean, but okay, either way. So, all right, so thank you for your presentation. Of course, Ethan will get the award of Amazon gift card. I haven't decided how much value is it yet, but just to make sure, Kessler, have you worked? I mean, Ethan, have you worked with any other people?
What?
It's okay. 1 second, Alan, your explanation is pretty good. It's all right.
What do you exactly mean, like work with any people?
So, like, did you work with a group or just individually?
Well, yeah, I just went for it by myself.
All right, could you send me your email, please?
Sure. I have 2 emails, but I prefer to use this email.
All right. And Ethan TA, if you can stay after the class for a bit as well, that would be appreciated. Thank you. Just in case I forgot to mention that. All right, thank you very much. I will write that down. Haven't decided how much value gonna be yet, but not gonna be immediately this time, but it's gonna be eventually. So thank you for working on your project.
You're welcome.
All right. Just check your email. It will send it someday, maybe in a couple weeks. All right. So thank you for presenting your guys' project. I'm gonna have proceed with a 15 minutes break. I'm gonna resume class at 5:03 Pacific Standard Time. Okay. See you guys in a bit.
Like, yeah.
All right.
Anyway, can we play Kahoot this week?
Kahoot. If you guys want to, you guys
Or
can.
we can. I don't know. Among Us, maybe.
I mean, sure. You guys can. Kahoot. Yeah. I mean, you guys can have Kahoot if you. You guys share with me. Share a Kahoot with me, if it just random fact Kahoot or something. But let me know. If you guys have any Kahoot idea, otherwise we'll work on some of my other stuff. Okay.
I'm working on a Kahoot.
What is the Kahoot about?
It's called a very long and random Kahoots.
Great. I love random Kahoots.
Me too. Like, they're really fun.
And funny.
It will just be called the very long and random Kahoots.
Nice.
That's a great name.
It's always a great name. Have you seen like those 100 question Kahoots?
Yeah.
Yeah, like those are pretty fun, but like takes a billion years to do them, you know?
You guys do anything fun for Thanksgiving break?
We just stayed home. Like we didn't really do anything.
Oh, I went hiking.
We didn't go outside really much. Though we like walk outside a lot, so yeah, that's pretty fun.
Yeah.
I need some suggestions on questions because it's
What's 1 + 1?
no.
Pythagorean theorem. It's always good something good to put on. It's always good to put a Pythagorean theorem on.
Yeah. Hard probability questions in.
Yeah, something like that. But don't put too much math. I'm too lazy to do math right now.
And then also spelling and grammar.
Oh, come on. Don't give me spelling and grammar. That's going to kill me. I'm the worst at it. Well, not that bad, but like, yeah.
Throw in some programming in like different languages in the world.
Let me search HTML. Basic HTML tags. I'm going to do an internet. He presses one button. Yeah. All right, I have a Kahoot ready.
Just wait.
Should I put on friendly name generator?
No, please no. God, no.
Yeah, everybody like, God, no, please, no.
This one will be leaving people in us.
I really like the music, you know?
Yeah, it's really catchy.
I'm still trying to get my Kahoot ready.
I think the original one, like, sounds better. Ooh, YouTube and Kahoot song.
Yes. What? My Kahoot would be really what do I say? It would be basically very painful. Okay.
Wait, what? I just heard a ha ha ha. I don't know if that's just me.
I think that's Vera being the devil she is.
Vera was unmuted, and this is Vera talking to.
Right.
Also, Vera is not a devil. Vera is a human.
Khan Academy is really good.
I put a link in chat if anyone wants to like click it. It's a cool link.
Yeah, I know. It's a nice link. I know this. I have an account on it. If I could just remember my
Khan
password.
Academy is great. Khan
Khan
Academy.
Academy is personally just great. I
Khan
think
Academy is
pretty
great.
much pretty much everybody who knows this is like everybody who does this knows.
If there was a thing,
Like who made this thing? Who made this thing? Did you make it?
what?
The helix jump.
I was just browsing through like the Khan Academy project sections, and I found this. And I found this project, so I thought it was cool, and I tried it.
Yeah, it's
So.
really cool.
Over.
Really fun actually. Helix jumps are always fun.
Carrot.
Oof! What's your high score?
Mine?
Yeah.
130,000, but I don't know why it doesn't show on the leaderboard. I think it doesn't update anymore or something, but my high score is 100K.
I'm really bad at helix jump actually, if you ask me. Thing is, you kind of just have to concentrate.
Yeah.
Oof.
All right, if you can hear me, please go ahead, come back.
Ooh.
All right, if you can hear me, please go ahead and come back. All right. So since not many of you do it, I'm gonna skip the first stage. What we will do, what we'll go ahead and do is we'll go ahead and talk about GitHub really quick. All right, we'll talk about GitHub. So,
Can I share Kahoot?
actually, you know what? Yeah, sure. Let's just do that instead.
Okay.
How many Kahoot do we have right now?
One very long and boring Kahoot.
Okay, well, you guys want to join? Feel free to join.
JK is just 20 questions, but it's.
All right, please go join the Kahoot. If you want some fun, I guess.
You want, I guess.
I mean, if you want some fun, I mean, I don't know if it's a fun or not, to be honest, but we'll see.
Kahoots.com and Kahoot.it. What the heck are you watching, Kessler? We know we can see you watching.
I know, you just got rickrolled. I know, I'm trying to I just rickrolled you.
Cool.
I'm Bub.
Bubby.
Bub's Bub. That's what I name everything I don't know what to name. Bub.
Bub, teacher, E, and hi guy.
Hey, stop deleting hi guy.
Oh, sorry. I didn't know what it did, so I didn't know what I did, okay?
Don't click on it. Don't click on hi guy. If you click on hi guy, you'll kick him.
Just join back in. I'm sorry.
I'm just gonna watch YouTube. Of what? I don't know.
All right. If you guys don't want to join it, well, you have to do the GitHub lesson that's gonna prepare to you. Okay?
Rick Dodala.
You either join the Kahoot or okay, I guess this strategy is after working. You either join the Kahoot.
You have become the very thing you swore to destroy.
Or we will do a GitHub lesson. Which one do you prefer? A
Kahoot.
fun, I guess, Kahoot or a GitHub lesson.
Wait, who's Vera? Athena, get in here. Sorry.
In right now.
Okay. 8572655.
Okay, what should I name myself? Athena or Nerdy Barrel?
Everybody stop leaving.
If we cannot get, okay, I want to say if we cannot get five people in 10 seconds, we'll do the GitHub lesson, but okay. Well, okay, we're gonna do a 10-second countdown, okay?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A very long and random Kahoot.
All right, let's get started. Who created Pythagorean theorem? Athena, chickens, or Pythagoras?
Nope, it's diabetes.
Pythagoras.
Oh, Pythagoras, that's how I'm supposed to pronounce it. Thank you.
Thanks for including me in your Kahoot, but I did not create the Pythagorean theorem.
Yeah.
Well, the goddess did not create.
Well, somebody actually chose diabetes.
All right.
Well, the thing
Well,
is,
they did that on purpose.
That's supposed to be.
Okay, so E is first.
Well, the thing is, Athena did not create the Pythagorean theorem. I mean, like, she's smart, but I mean, like, she
Got
didn't.
rickrolled.
Just
dang it.
select all of them. You'll get more points.
Dang it, it doesn't play.
Yeah. All right. We'll just do this one Kahoot, okay? Maybe then someone can suggest next one, but we'll do a GitHub lesson nonetheless, okay? Of course.
Well, just imagine it as a serious. Okay. Wait, what happened? Okay, next. Oof, 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 oof.
If you click all of them, the more you click, the more points you get.
Oh, really?
I
True or
Okay,
false? Genji is a playable character in games Skylander. Is that true? I don't know.
You have been tricked, you have been backstabbed, and you have been quite possibly bamboozled.
Oh yeah, I finally now remember Skylanders. Like we talked about it in second grade, and I completely forgot about it.
I'm so glad I grew up with Skylanders instead of Fortnite.
True.
I'm so glad I grew up with books.
Nice.
Wow, you was the only one who got it right. So if you don't know, Genji Shimada is actually
Okay, let's just focus on the Kahoot, please. Don't make more time.
No, let him explain. Let him.
Caster, no,
Genji
no, we don't
Shimada
have
is a
time.
playable character in Overwatch.
We will have to finish this before 5:30.
Who is my old? How old is my brother? I don't know.
Okay, so Genji Shimada is a playable character in the game Overwatch. He has he basically
Okay, we get it, man.
All right.
I will not tell you my brother's real age, but all I can hint is just it's none of these.
Wait, did you make this Kahoot?
Yes. What do you expect? How do I know all the answers?
Okay.
Wait, this is not long.
The CIA stand for cats are intentionally awesome. Now, true or false?
No, it's what does CIA stand for in the first place?
The CIA stands for
Cats are not intelligent.
Central Intelligence Agency. It stands for Central Intelligence Agency.
Right.
Okay, next.
Central Processing Unit.
That's a CPU, man. Not this.
Yes, I know.
That's
Let's
completely
proceed.
different.
What did Mr. Beast give to his 3 million subs?
Oh God,
I think it's like something to do with pennies.
Yep.
I feel like I'm gonna fail this Kahoot.
Mr. Beast gave his
Wasn't it?
3 millionth subscriber. How do you know your subscribers? I don't get it.
Yep, 3 million pennies.
I knew it had something to do with pennies. I think I watched that video actually.
And also,
That's right.
You want me to play the video?
No, don't. Proceed. Come on. I still have a GitHub lesson to do. BTS is a South Korean boy band.
Close. I think I'm gonna pick true.
I don't follow BTS, but I'm just gonna say true.
And for Vera, it's not very long and ran. It's not very long because because what happened is I did not have enough time to finish it. So do not get me wrong, it would have been much longer.
Oh yeah, great. Thank God I don't have time to finish it.
Chinese
All
has
right.
over
Chinese has over how many characters? 2026, A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, blah, 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 blah. And 3,000.
26.
I can say the whole alphabet in less than 5 seconds. Oh.
All right. It's blue and green are also all correct, which I don't know why.
Okay. The pin has it good.
How many representatives are there for each state?
It's like
21, 4, 469, or 2.
There's like 2. I think if I learn my
I would recommend you to rename.
Ethan, just stop saying anything because.
Well, if I learn my politics correctly, it's 2. Yes.
More precise is how many representatives in a Senate, because in actual representative that's going to be different. There are 1,424 dragons in Dragon City.
What is Dragon?
I'm a very fast talker.
What's Dragon City?
It's a mobile game that is created by I don't know.
How many games do you play, man?
I play little. The only games I play right now are Overwatch, Among Us, and other.
Please say you play Minecraft.
I play Minecraft.
Good. Because if you don't, well.
Okay, who's to blame for 2020?
Coronavirus guy.
The Simpsons, IDK, Satan, we're good.
IDK means I don't know.
Not sure should I approve this Kahoot or not, but I mean, there you go.
Who wants me to make this longer?
All right.
Yes, it's Simpsons, Satan, God, and God.
Anything besides IDK. All right, let's see who wins. 3.
Okay,
It's
E.
E.
Let's see if Nerdy Barrel got on this.
2 is
Nope.
this Kahoot ID. And our winner is Sadness. What a great winner name, making me so
Pretty totally
All right. Thanks for playing this Kahoot. And we still have 15 more minutes. Does anybody else have any other Kahoot want to share?
Me.
Just gonna jump right into the GitHub lesson.
Me. I have a Kahoot.
All right, let's
here.
jump right into the GitHub lesson.
No.
Share your Kahoot. Make it quick, okay?
Bring on your Kahoot, Ethan.
Okay, bring it on, guys. Okay, let me just share my screen. I can't share my screen.
I love these random Kahoots.
This is not a random Kahoot. Sorry.
Okay. I'm going to. Okay. Do you want me to?
Wait, what's the name of your Kahoot?
Wait. Do you want me? Wait. Does anybody want to let me first explain like who Genji is?
I bring on my house.
No, everybody doesn't want to know what Genji is or whatever his name is. Blah blah.
That's you.
Wait, what is the quiz? What is the name for this quiz? So we can get the idea of like what it generally.
It's called a basic HTML thingamabobbers.
Wait, something related to programming, actually?
Yes.
Oh.
So a basic HTML.
All right, come on, 5 people in next 20 seconds. Otherwise, it's gonna start a GitHub
A
lesson.
basic
right
HTML.
Okay, everybody's coming. The teacher's gonna
GitHub lesson like right now.
Basic HTML thingy-mabob.
It says basic HTML tags.
Ah!
All right, let's proceed with the 20-second countdown, please. Caster, start counting.
Oopsies.
All right, it's all right. Let's go and get started.
I can't count.
The attribute is used in the A tag and is used to create link to other page. What's the attribute? href, link, src, or color? Come on, guys. If you guys miss any of these questions, I'll be so mad at you. All right, great. 2 people are supposed to be mad at now. Fantastic.
3 people.
Okay. Pref.
Man, it's 3 people.
3. Oh
Why
my
Link?
God.
Why
Okay, let's
Link?
proceed.
Why Link? Link sucks.
All right, let's proceed.
Link sucks. And Super Smash Bros. And anything else.
This tag is used for basic text section. The tags appear normal, not big, or bold. A, P, H, or head.
To be or not to be.
To be or not to be?
Yes, it is paragraph tag. And
You have 4 more people to get mad at.
Now, wonderful.
Now we have 4 people to say are
To
disappointed.
be or not to be. That's Shakespeare line, man.
To be or not to be? Why the hell are you here?
All right.
To be or not to be? Why the hell are you here?
All right, let's see. Almost every time you need a closing tag as well. Which of the following is a closing tag?
Close all the tags.
Exclamation mark dot type slash head or body.
Germany. Poland.
What is slash head? Feel like you're cutting off someone's head by decapitating him or using the guillotine.
That sounds weird, but either way.
Finally,
Nice. It is slash head.
finally, Dragon Slayer is coming back.
This is used for page headers. It makes text large and bold.
I think
What's that?
Lol will win.
HTML, IMG, H1, or P.
Start typing your question.
Okay, the image to taking early
Is
2000s.
this even something? Is this even something in like HTML?
Yes. You
This
already
is
forgot about that.
image. This is image. If I learned my HTML correctly, this is image.
That's the little abbreviation.
What is this? Is this like Windows like 3?
This is like this series internet. All right. 3% answer correctly, 3% don't. Thank you. So I had to be mad at like a uncountable amount of people now. Let's see. This text used to put image on the web page. What tag is that?
Company name.
What tag is that? Let me know. What tag is that? Come on, let's answer these questions.
Take a break.
And we can get a GitHub like.
We're gonna have GitHub lesson in 10 minutes.
Uh-oh.
Right. All right. It is IMG image.
Yeah, I'm on the podium. Woohoo!
All right. Next. All right. Let's see. This is used for section of the of the page with the content. This is okay. Pure answer. That's quick. Body.
You still have 2 people to get mad at right now.
Right. I know. It's infinite because I don't know how many people I forget wrong.
I don't know how many people actually learned HTML.
This is a language used for creating website. Oh God. Please answer this question correctly.
Donkey! Where are you, donkey?
Klingon.
Nobody dare to make any mistake on this question. Okay?
If you do, who made this time like 30 seconds, man? Just give them 5 seconds. You don't need 5 seconds. This is what? Like, this is like somebody got it wrong.
Well,
All right. Wait. Okay, proceed. I cannot do anything about it. Let's see.
Like, I can actually tell you who got this thing wrong.
what tag is missing from this code?
Oh my God. Nobody make any mistake. Why does this question take 80 seconds? Maybe the whoever created this code who don't want me to talk to you guys GitHub lesson.
Okay, everybody answer right now. I'm gonna skip it 20 seconds.
3% answering correctly. It's literally slash head because we don't have a closing tag there.
Oof.
Okay. Let's proceed. This asks you to identify the type of document we are creating. Dot type, H1, body, or P. I think are spoiled.
Book series, but the
Paper fly out the screen. That is impossible.
oh.
It take years.
Wait, is this our last Kahoot?
Pretty much.
No!
Yay and no. Yay and no. Yay because I got it right. No.
Last question, last Kahoot for this class in this year. This text used for this section contain the information about the page and the page content.
I forgot. Oh yeah, now I remember. Sorry. The picture gave it all away.
All right.
It says information about the webpage.
Off with your head. Who's third place?
All right,
Me.
give us the answer. Missing 3 question. Are you kidding me? Missing 2 question? Even the first one missing one question. I told you guys should not missing any of it. And now I feel sad.
Well, hey,
So as a punishment, I'm gonna teach a GitHub lesson right now.
no.
All right.
No, God, please, no. No.
I promise you that it's going to be okay. All right.
Boyuan,
Going to be okay. Going to be okay. Okay. All right. Let's get started with GitHub.
Yay! Boo!
Oh, that's weird.
Boo! Hiss!
All right, there you go.
What?
All right, I found the link. Please go ahead, go to this link. Can somebody share their screen, please? Because I already did this, so it will not be the same. Can somebody just share their screen? Thank you, Ethan. All right. Once everybody's on the screen, let me know. Just yell to yo. I'm here for some.
I'm here.
Meh.
Read. Oh, yeah.
Andrew is here.
All right. Once you're here, what I want you to click on is Introduction to GitHub under our most popular courses. This one. Yep. Introduction to GitHub. I think we actually have time to finish this course. If we don't, we'll finish at least half of it. All right. We're going to say start free course.
Oh, wait, what? Wait. What did you do? Now. Nani? Wait, what'd you do?
Go here.
Word.
Oh my God. Okay.
And then you click this thing.
All
And
right.
then you click the button. The one and only button.
You are a button to me.
That sounds weird, but okay. Go ahead. If you prefer language, to type begin introduction to GitHub.
You are a button to
Like
me.
combat interference.
And because I never use buttons, that just means it's absolutely useless.
That's even worse, but okay. Let's click on begin introduction to GitHub. Don't need to change any settings.
I'm still trying to get in.
Are you kidding me? All right, it's okay. We will wait for you, Kessler. I'm gonna
Let's say
promise you.
read. Okay, launch your first course. Start introduction to GitHub.
All right. Now what I want you to do is go ahead, click on start and assign yourself or anywhere. Just assign you around here. Okay. Now what I want you to do is go ahead, take your time. Read through this paragraph first. Welcome to GitHub Learning's Introduction to GitHub. Read through everything. All right.
Video, what is GitHub? I don't want to watch a few videos.
You have to.
Okay, so can
Watch
you
it.
assign yourself?
Well, GitHub is a platform that helps people solve problems by building software together. So, how does it work?
Nice.
This is Sam. Sam works on tractors all day, but not in the way you might be thinking.
Oh, you don't have to watch a
She
video. I
builds
think
the
videos are a
software
little
that
bit too
helps
annoying,
make
to be
tractors
honest.
more efficient. And she does this on GitHub with the
Like,
help of her
once you
team,
can watch it.
DJ, Melinda, and Mike. Now, even though they all work on the same project, Sam and her team don't all work in the same part of the world. This is Eddie. Eddie also works on tractors all day, except he actually works on the tractors all day. And this is the
You
hardest
think I
step
close
of
this video now?
It's the latest flagship in the company's fleet of tractors. It's full of sensors and processors that produce a ton of
Ethan?
high-quality data.
Yes?
We could close this video now. I mean, it doesn't really load. We can only hear
The day in the life of a
No,
Jap-
I'm sorry. I just stopped sharing. So.
Okay, could you keep sharing, please?
Eddie has a
All right, so I'll
It
share from this
says I'll respond. It says I'll respond when I detect if you've assigned yourself to this issue.
This is
What does that mean?
Okay, all right. 1 second. Could you go back?
not in the way
You can close the video now. So go back, yeah. All right. What I want you to do is read through them. You don't have to watch the video, but read through the text. Once you're ready, read through step 1. All right.
Can you read it to us?
What?
I am glad you asked. Many people come to GitHub because they want to contribute.
No, don't read to us. Like we all can read. Just read it silently.
I'm too lazy to.
Okay, come on, read through yourself.
I'm glad you asked. Many people come to GitHub because they want to contribute their own source projects or
That's someone right now.
or classmates who use it for their projects. Why do people use GitHub
Much better.
projects?
God.
The GitHub repository is the container that these files may contain. The README should explain the project.
Bloopers and gag reel. Wonder Woman bloopers.
Did you just say Wonder Woman bloopers? What the?
It was
All right. Once you're ready, scroll down.
It was on the videos.
Go and read through step 1 and do it.
Unassigned issues do not have owners to look after them. When you're assigned to issue a pull request.
Now I can pause sharing. Ethan, pause sharing.
Assignees? What the heck is the assignees?
Find it. It's somewhere on the page.
Oh yeah. It says assignees. Click the gear icon and select yourself. And then what does it do? For a printable version, blah blah blah. So you just select yourself. Okay. Now you just do
Don't read it out loud, Ethan, please. All right, is everybody done? It's pretty simple, correct? Right?
Wait, I don't see the assignees section.
Oh my God. Oh.
I can't. Okay, I have to copy and paste this thing down into a
Oh my
Word.
God. Okay. All right. It's okay. 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 It's not okay. Okay. Let's see. Ethan, I can resume sharing and go ahead and talk about it.
So it's right here at the top. It says assignees.
All right. Click on the gear icon.
Click on the gear icon and then I'm gonna clear my assignees and then click your name right there. And then just exit out of it. Then you will see the second
Step 2. Blah 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 blah.
Your
blah.
GitHub page section. Okay, I'm gonna pause sharing now.
All right. Don't pause sharing. Scroll. Keep sharing, but scroll down because we're on read step 2. Go back. We're on read step 2 together.
Ouch.
Read what you need to do for step 2. Okay?
Everybody. Ugh.
All right. Step 2. Let's see. You're gonna enable GitHub Pages, which is a way to serve static website. Means HTML, CSS, and front-end JavaScript. So to do that, first, to enable your GitHub Pages, first click on the Settings tab in the repository. Second, scroll down to the GitHub Pages section. Third, Ethan, go back. I didn't finish reading yet. Go back. We just got one more step to give. Third step is from the source, drop down, select master branch. All right, Ethan, now you can pause sharing and do the activity. Let me know once you guys are finished. All right, this is a little bit longer than the first one, so I will give you guys couple minutes to do it.
There's also a folder.
Don't worry about that just yet. All right, is everybody
So
familiar?
we just say save.
A folder? Oh, root. Yeah, click on save as well.
So /root.
Yep, /root.
All right, I finished.
All right. Anybody else need more time?
Same.
Same.
No? Okay. All right, you can resume sharing now. Ethan? All right. Looks at turn the GitHub pages. Could you show us how do you turn the GitHub pages?
Like this part.
Right.
Okay, so you go to settings, you scroll all the way down to GitHub pages, right here, right under, and then you just select the source master, and then it has to be /root, and then you press the save button. Actually, it's not /docs. Darn it. /root and then save.
All right, let's head back. All right, that's how you do it. All right, step 3, close an issue. You turn on GitHub pages. Now your site is visible to public. Click on the link to check it out.
Use the right arrow to begin. Right arrow, you do not work. Hello, right arrow. Excuse me.
All right, if it doesn't work, let's go ahead back. All right, we'll make it work. No, actually, we'll not make it work. No, actually, scroll down. All right.
Redo it all over again.
No, scroll down, scroll down. Oh my God. Oh, are you kidding me?
There we go.
Oh my God. Okay, right there. Stop. Stop. Okay.
For some reason.
Now you want to close the issue. Click on close issue button below. All right, Ethan, don't do that.
For some reason, I'm still on step 2. I've done everything.
Okay. Let's see. Stop sharing, Ethan. Go share your screen, please, Kessler.
Okay. So it says your site is published at the Baba all of this thingies.
All right, go back. Go to the issues.
This one?
Right.
Oh, issues. Danger
Go to
zone?
issues. No. The settings. That's where you are at before. So go to issues.
Issues?
All right.
I don't see issues.
Okay, go back. Just click back arrow. You're here a moment.
Oh, issues.
Right there. All right. Go ahead, click on get started with GitHub.
Where?
Get started with GitHub.
Get started with GitHub.
Yeah. Right there. All right.
Okay.
There you go. Now it works. All right. Close an issue. Well, let's close the issue.
What? How do you
go to issues? Go back, find an issue, and now I can see steps. All right, Ethan, you can go ahead and share your screen once more. Great. All right, Ethan, if you can, please share your screen. Thank you very much. All right, once you finish, consider this issue finished. However, to the next issue now.
I actually just need to close it. There you go. And next issue. First contribution number 2. Yay.
All right, we'll go ahead and wait a few minutes while everybody's get ready.
Do we have to assign ourselves again? I'm just going to assign myself.
All right, let's just wait 1 minute. So that everybody. Excuse you, whoever. Just
Nani?
Can someone mute themselves, please? Thank you very much. All right, gonna assume most people are here. So now I'm gonna talk about GitHub Flow. Step 4, create a branch. Scroll down, Ethan. How to create a branch. Don't do anything yet, Ethan. First is navigate to Code Lab. Second, click on Branch Master. Don't do anything yet. Don't. Oh my God.
Sorry.
Second, click Branch Master in the drop-down. Third, in the field, enter name of your branch. Fourth, click on Create Branch. Now let's pause the screen. You can pause the screen share. And now feel free to do it. All right, pause sharing. I suppose you already paused. Just follow the step. I will come back to you in about a couple minutes. Let me know once you guys are finished. Just say, yo, I'm finished. Once you're finished, please let me know.
So what you're supposed to do is go to the branch. So you go to the GitHub slideshow. So, oh, okay, I see now.
I'm just gonna watch Dev with me's video that he posted 20 hours ago.
All right.
Okay, please mute yourself if you want to do that, preferably. Thank you. All right, is everybody ready? Is everybody ready? All right, didn't hear anything. Gonna assume you're all ready. All right, could you keep sharing your screen now, Ethan, so we can proceed? All right, step 5. So we didn't do that till the last session because we didn't get there on time. So good job to you guys, get here on time. Commit a file. You create a branch. This is a little bit more complicated, okay? I'm not gonna bother to read through this. You're gonna get 5 minutes to work on these. All right, 5 minutes. So 5:46 p.m. Pacific PST. I'm gonna check back on you. Read through this, how to commit a file. This is really important, okay? Really important. Read through them and let me know if you guys have any questions. Pause sharing in case you haven't, but.
mean, like this presumably I kind of know how to do because we kind of did this in the other class. So
Do we do it? Do we talk about GitHub in another class?
yeah, we kind of talked about it a bit. We had to like put like a few commits, like unicorn 1 or something like that. I don't remember.
Oh, Unicorn, right? Yeah. Deploy the. Yeah. I actually did. Yeah. But this is just a more universal review. Did you finish?
Yeah, pretty much.
Pretty much. All right, gonna wait for other people. You still have 3 minutes. This is a little bit more complicated procedure.
Does the file, so the new file you made, does it still have the color text, or is it okay for it to just be black?
Just follow all the directions.
Could you say that again?
Just follow all the directions.
Okay.
Because if you change some setting, it doesn't want you to change, won't give you next step, which we don't want, of course. All right, is everybody finished? Is everybody finished? Does anybody need more time?
No, me is not finished.
Me
Oh,
is
step 5 or step 6 too?
what? Just do the comment file.
Oh, okay, commit file. Okay.
So, which is just
Yeah,
supposed
I'm
to be
good with it.
5, I believe, right? I mean, I'm not sure. Maybe, yeah, same step 5. All right, gonna give you guys a little bit more time then. Andrew, let me know once you're finished.
Okay, so I think I finished.
All right, so the way to check whether you really finished or not is to check if it give you additional step. Double check if it give you additional
Oh
step.
yeah, they did just now.
All right, good. So, Ethan, resume sharing, please. All right, could you go over how did you do it? You are muted, Ethan.
I still need help with the I still need help with the open a pull request.
Yeah, don't work on open a pull request just yet. Ethan, first of all, you're still muted if you're trying to talk.
Oh, commit and pull request.
All right, am I
Just
not muted now? Okay. So you
Okay.
go to the code tab, and then you and like there's like the branch drop down. I also use the shortcut too, but you can create a new file. Where did I go? So you can add file. You can create a new file, and then you can just make it this thing. I'm gonna copy and paste this thing in. And then inside there, you will put this thing in, and then you press the commit new file. This file already exists because I just made one.
Okay. Yep, that's pretty much it, right?
So basically what will happen is, yeah, you'll just go back here and then you'll find this thing.
All right, nice. Now we're gonna go and work on the pull request. So could you go back to the issues tab, please?
Okay. Let me just go back to the issues tab. This one.
Okay. So now what you're gonna do is open a pull request. It's highly suggest that you actually take a look what is pull request, all right, because that's really important. Could you scroll down a little bit, Ethan? All right. So how create pull request? The direction. First, open a pull request using the shortcut or manually as follows. Step 1, follow the pull request tab. Click on new pull request. Step 2, in the base drop-down menu, make sure the master branch is selected. In compare, select my branch. 2, when you select your branch in your title of your pull request, for example, add Bella view over Lex file. 3, the next field help you provide a description of the changes you make. Feel free to add description what you have, blah, blah, blah. You have accomplished so far. 4, create a pull request. All right, go ahead and do these. This is arguably one of the most complicated things.
I still don't know how to do it. Can I share my screen?
Yes, you could go stop sharing now, Ethan. Kessler, share your screen, please.
Yeah, it's like this.
Okay, click on compare.
Mm-hmm.
1 second, could you go to issues really quick?
Issues.
Okay, click on here.
Click on where? Oh, too closed.
Right here. Scroll down. Did you already do these? Did you? Okay, I think you already did create a pull request. But okay. 1 second. So let me know what you guys see after you finish opening a pull request, okay?
I see but the bot closed this now.
Okay, all right. Let's see. Could you Kessler, could you go to issues? Issues tab, please.
Okay.
No, not the shortcut. Well, either it works. Go to issues.
Issues.
That's weird. Didn't give you a new issue, did it? Okay, scroll down. Oh, I was responding to your new pull request. Okay, go to your pull request.
How do you like put the name? I don't know where the name thing is.
1 second. Go to pull requests. Go here. All right, scroll down. Okay, now here's what you're gonna do. Don't do that yet. Don't do that yet. Okay, close yours.
Close what?
I mean, sorry, not close yours. Could you stop sharing?
Okay.
All right. Let's see. All right. Ethan, could you share your screen? So you will be finding new conversation in pull requests. All right, Ethan, could you share your screen?
Okay, let me just. Oops, sorry. This thing is supposed to be right here.
All right. So just click on create pull request.
And
All
then
right.
this is the name.
You can rename anything if you want to. Rename this, and then leave a comment if you like.
Cool. Hi.
All right.
Okay.
All right. So this is the next step. This is the next step. All right. So go. So okay, go to your pull requests. All right. So you're gonna follow the direction here. Change your file. Respond to a review. Actually, a pull request looks great. Sometimes you maybe have different views. Depends on did you put anything in the title or in the comments. Go ahead and follow your own direction there. Okay. So I'm gonna I'm going to leave you guys here because now since you guys are on a different direction, we have 5 minutes to the class end, but I guess I would just let you guys go early today. You can finish if you want to. It should supposed to be 8 steps. You just have 2 more steps to go. Does anybody have any question with this GitHub, like learning lab? Any question? All right, if you didn't complete your step 7, you can stay if you want to, so I can help you to catch up. But if you do, feel free to leave. I will see you guys next. I will see you guys, I don't know, maybe next year if we have another programming class. But we'll see. All right. I'll be sure to let you guys know. But thank you. Have a nice day. Have a nice evening. See you guys. Happy Thanksgiving.
One question.
All right. Yes, Kessler?
Isn't line 5 your text?
What?
Isn't line 5 your text? Just those words?
I think. I mean, I don't. Yeah, just follow the direction. It's about. Just replace line 5 with something new. Yeah, just type.
Do you just edit line 5?
Yeah.
Okay, so you go to the 3 dots and you press edit file and then you edit it.
Right.
So,
yes. Yeah.
For mine, it says your text. Like, can I
just rename it. Just change it.
I'm done. So can I leave or something?
Yeah, you can leave. Bye, Andrew.
Bye.
I don't know. So my line 5 is just your text. That's all it says. Your text.
Yeah, just change it. Vera, yes, you have your hands raised.
Does that mean change? Like I can delete it, but then just type back your text?
Yeah, sure. I mean,
where do you merge it?
Vera, go ahead and say your question, please.
So what is our homework?
You don't have any homework since this is the final class.
Oh, okay.
What's the merge like button? There's no merge.
Should be somewhere on the pull request.
Conversation commit checks file change.
Most likely it's all the way down.
Jump to.
Either it's all the way up or all the way down. All right. If you guys still have any questions, feel free to leave. Happy Thanksgiving, Happy Christmas, Happy New Year. See you guys next year if possible.
Okay, thank you.
I don't see merge yet still.
Thank you for teaching us, Boyan.
No problem.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you for teaching us.
You're welcome. Bye.
Hey. So where do you like merge it?
Okay, so just click on pull requests.
Pull request.
Click on pull. Should be a merge somewhere here. Scroll down. Scroll down. There you go. All right, there you go. Finished.
Okay.
All right, thank
I
you.
guess I just say this. All right. Thank you.
Welcome.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
All right. Hello, Ethan. So thank you
No,
for be the TA for this class. Thank you.
anytime.
Yeah, thank you for writing the notes in detail. I reviewed your notes. I decided to start posting on the website now, finally. Thank you for your hard work about, especially mentioning Excel. So to like compensate you a little bit, I want you to give you Amazon gift card. That's how like sometimes I usually do stuff like that. If you could you send me your email in the chat so I know where
Sure.
email to send it. All right, thank you very much. All right, check your email in a couple weeks. That should be when you have your gift card. So yeah,
All
thank
right.
you for your hard work. Yeah, thank you for being the TA of this class. All right.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye.